In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your payroll settings on Gusto. To get started, sign in to your Gusto administrator account. Make sure you're using an admin-level login, since payroll settings are typically only available to users with the right permissions. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm that you're on the main dashboard and ready to make account-level payroll changes. Next, look over to the left-hand menu and click Pay. This is the section where Gusto keeps the main tools related to payroll processing, schedules, and payment preferences. Opening this area is the first step to accessing the settings you'll need. After that, select Pay Settings. This will take you to the page where your payroll configuration options are organized. If you manage payroll regularly, this is an important area to become familiar with, because it controls how your payroll is processed and how employees are paid. In the Payroll Info section, click Edit next to the setting you want to update. Depending on what you need to change, this could include payment speed, your private payday email, your bank descriptor, or paycheck estimate settings. As you make changes here, it's a good idea to review each field carefully so your payroll setup stays accurate and consistent. Then move to the Approval section and click Edit to modify your payroll approval requirements. This is especially useful if you want to control who needs to review payroll before it's submitted, helping reduce mistakes and keep your process secure. Next, scroll down to the Pay Schedule section and click Edit beside the pay schedule you want to change. This is where you can update the payroll timing for a specific schedule. Since schedule changes can affect processing dates, make sure you're editing the correct one. Before finalizing any schedule adjustments, select Preview Upcoming Paydays. This lets you review future payroll dates in advance, which can help you spot timing issues before they impact employees or payroll processing. If you also need to change which employees are tied to a specific pay schedule, click Manage in the Employees section. From there, you can update assignments so the right team members are connected to the correct payroll cycle. You can also click Edit next to Payroll on Autopilot if you want to enable or modify automatic payroll processing. This feature can save time, but it's smart to double-check your setup before relying on automation. Finally, review all of your updates carefully, then save your changes to apply the new payroll settings. Taking a final look helps ensure everything is correct before the changes go live. Thanks for watching.